If you want to add your Files app, photos and videos to the Instagram Edit app on iPhone, I show you. If you click the plus icon and try and click a gallery, you can't see the Files app video on this area. So the thing is, first you need to move the Files app, photos and videos to Photos app. So edit to Files and click the three dots and select the photos and videos you want to add, and click the share, save items, and it's done. Now just minimize this and open Photos app. Here you can see. Now minimize and open the Edit app. So now you can see the videos. You just long press again. Now it's selected. You just select. At a time you need to select 4 videos only. If it is an image, you can select like 5 to 6, something like that. But if you add a video, at a time you need to select 4. Then you need to do this process until you select all those videos. Just click tick. So it's added. Here you can see it's added. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Instagram on iPhone, you need to watch this playlist.